Hey, Kev.
Hi.
Where are we today?
I don't know, where are we?
Where are we?
I don't know where we're at.
Punta Gorda, Florida.
Punta Gorda, Florida.
Let's skate, Kev. All right. Once again, we're skating around. It's a beautiful day of May down here on the southwest coast of Florida, Punta Gorda. This is a little town. It's a really pretty little town. It has a lot of, ooh, nice jump, Kev. Has a nice older restored buildings. And watch the cracks. Mind the cracks. Oh, look at this beautiful banyan tree here. Gorgeous. Just taking all of that in for a moment. And then here we have the first Punta Gorda home site. For the people that are into the history. This is like got a lot of older restored homes, a lot of like brick streets, kind of a classic Florida looking sort of place. And we're going into Gilchrist Park down by the Peace River. Let's check it out. Kev, lead the way. Pick up the pace, but watch those cracks. There's a lot of smooth sidewalks through here. Few areas with cracks, but that's ooh, nice. You know, you gotta watch those cracks, of course, that's normal. But we're down here on the Peace River. As you can see, some boats out there along the river. Skating through Gilchrist Park. It's a really beautiful park, surrounded by a really beautiful neighborhood of homes. Looks like there's some live music in the pavilion today. This is nice. Skating around Punta Gorda. So this is the Peace River.
Beautiful out here today.
It's really beautiful. They're doing some repairs to that end of what they call the Harborwalk. So it's temporarily closed, but you can go around it and go walk the other side. The Harborwalk includes some basketball courts, tennis courts, a nice long paved area for running and biking and skating.
Let's get going.
Let's keep moving. Let's see what else we can see.
Pick it up.
All right. We're gonna keep carrying on down the Harborwalk here. So, just for reference, for people who are keeping up, Punta Gorda is south of Tampa, south of Sarasota, and north of Fort Myers on the Gulf Coast, southwest Gulf Coast of Florida. All right, here we have a very small beach area with a very cute little small dog at the water on the Peace River. This is where Ponce de Leon made his landing near here, Charlotte Harbor. And this town has a lot of water access. There's a lot of homes on canals that lead out to the Peace River or tributaries of the Peace River or to the Charlotte Harbor. So there's a lot of water access and boating for that reason. Now we're heading on down the Harborwalk. Oh, and Kev with his daring do signature style sloppy 360s on the boardwalk. People at the hotel enjoying the pool. All right, we're moving on down. We're going to be going, oh,
One foot at a time.
we'll be going past this tiki bar here. Looking nice here. Relaxing place to enjoy a drink down by the river. We're going under the overpass. They did some cool art here, as we can see somewhat as we go through here.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. So you can skate a pretty good long distance through here. You know, like I mentioned, in Punta Gorda, some of the streets are brick, so they are a little bumpier. Oh, nice jump cab. But this Harborwalk is very nice and smooth. So it's easy to go fast without a lot of push. And if you ride some softer wheels, you can probably do fine with the bricks as well. Hello! Yeah, oh, Kev's running his mini logos and he's doing just fine. But we're not doing the brick streets today. So Kev's getting daring, he's jumping around. There's supposed to be oh, nice big jump there, Kev. Yeah, this is really smooth. You can get going really nice and fast through here. And there's supposed to be oh, look at him go. Oh. There's supposed to be a seafood and music festival going on this weekend down here at the marina. And as you can see, there's some bricks here, but they're not that bad. You know, they're a little bumpier, but you can still totally skate them. Hello, hello. Coming through here to another tiki bar area. This one with a stage. The weather here is great. Like, it's warm, but it's not super muggy like it will get later on into the summer. There's a big Great Dane on that stage. How adorable. Tiki bar. It's early in the day, so it's not real crowded out here. And we're coming on through to where they're going to be having the music festival. Music and seafood festival. Later on, there will be music, different bands playing, more like kind of like rock and blues and maybe like Americana and that kind of thing. So that will be over here. Yeah, this is a beautiful place to check out. It kind of reminds me of Key West if Key West was extremely quiet. Woo! So yeah. Oh, he's rolling along, ain't he? All right, coming on through the bridge here. Another bridge. Let's see how far we can go before our camera battery dies. Yeah, coming through the underpass. Woo! I don't know. This goes pretty far. Well, you can go out there, so that will take you through to downtown. Or if we go this way, we'll continue to follow the Peace River. How's this? Is this bumpy? This is bumpy, isn't it? Yeah, bumpy, bumpy. You can hear it. Rattly clackety. But I think we'll be wrapping it up here anyway, y'all. Because we appear to have ended at a sort of a pavilion.
We'll keep going or end it here?
I think we'll end it here.
All right.
So, do you have anything you'd like to say?
Happy Saturday, everybody.
I know, but would you like to show your shirt to the people?
Oh, yeah. Our new shirts.
Let's see it. All right, check it out. Yeah, looking good. It's the Kevin Jazz Shop.
Check them out on our store, you guys.
All right, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.